Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. And this video we are going to talk about YouTube channel. How to upload a default your description and tags. Like anytime you upload your YouTube video, you have to write down description or you have to write down little tags. Anytime you upload a video, you have to write down, but in this video I will show you how you can upload a default. Anytime you upload a video, you don't have to write down description or tags. They will be automatically uploaded without you typing. You need just type once and you done. Now let's start. For this one you have to go to your YouTube channel. You have to log in to YouTube channel like the way I have on my channel. Then on the right hand on the top corner here we have a channel logo. We're gonna click on channel logo. You can click either YouTube Studio or you can go to settings. I'm going to click on YouTube Studio. When we click on the YouTube Studio, on the left hand corner this side we will find a setting. As you can see here, setting. I'm going to big screen. Right hand corner over here we have a setting. Just click on setting. When you find the setting, inside the setting we have a couple of options: general, channel, upload default, community. We're gonna click on upload defaults. Once you click on upload defaults, you can write on everything here default. Like if you have a always one title of your video, you can write on title, description, how you want to show public, whatever, and you can write down tags. Like I have a description already pre-write, I'm just copy and pasting here. But in your case, if you have to write down, then just type whatever you want to do. You just like a link your website, your Facebook account, all the information here, type it, then the way you want to show, and tags. Like say my always video is gonna be DIY. I'm gonna write down a couple tags, 2020, any tag you want to. You can write as many tags you want, then just simply you click on save. So once you click on save, you done. Anytime you will be upload video, like say we're gonna upload video here, you choose any file you want to upload. So you will see here, whatever the description we have a write down or all the tags, they will be automatically over here. You don't have to write down again and again. You write down once, you done. I'm not going to upload this video, but I just done for show. That's the way you can save you a lot of time. You don't have to write down description, because sometimes if you don't have a description, your video look like empty. You have a lot, but still you're missing something. That's the way you can save your time, and you can have a upload default already. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.